All right, so welcome back to my life. I've been busy, very busy. Uh, yeah, what do I say? I guess what I've been doing, I got this uh, lawn tractor all service, changed the drive belt on it, the transmission. That was fun. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I got a new battery for it, did all filters and oil, and sharpened the blades, and lubed up or greased all the grease points on the deck and the axles and wheels, and it's running great now. This now is the big tractor for doing the fields, and Mom is saying, oh, it digs into the ground, and yeah, it's having problems digging into the ground. I'm like, well, yeah, who put that back wheel on there like so high? Why is it like it's like digging into the ground? Because that's whoever connected this thing didn't know what they were doing, and that's just my daily life here is cleaning up the messes for everyone else. So I'm also working on building a chicken coop down at the barn, way down there, chicken coop down there, and working on because there's not very much power down at the barn, so we have this old generator and this old horse trailer, and so I've been going through this horse trailer, put a new wheel on it and going through it and trying to get this generator going, but having issues with the carburetor on this one. Put a brand new carburetor on it and it's still surging, so I'm going to try and put some gasket maker on the carburetor, see if that helps solve the problem, because it's not like the jets are clogged. It's got clean fuel and everything, and yeah, but after it gets hot it just starts surging and then cuts out. So trying to get this a little bit more closed in. Had to replace one of those windows up there, and was going to try and close in these sides with this kind of plastic sheeting, but it's been a pain, so just covered up the generator now because it's been raining. But yeah, here's a quick video of what's been going on. Anything you guys want to see more of, let me know, and I will see you guys soon. Alrighty, I got the mower bed apart. I've been beating at her for a good few hours and finally got this area back together and welded up. She ain't pretty, but well, hopefully it'll do the job. Some of them turned out not too bad looking. It doesn't look too horrible, but yeah, some of them look pretty bad. But it's together, it's holding up good, and hopefully this thing will be back in action soon. It needs a lot of work. Still got to do fix these blades. These blades are, I gotta take all that apart too, so it's been fun. Yeah, and then gotta do a service on this thing. The transmission's making a lot of noise, so I gotta figure that out and do the oil change and just all the service. I already hit all the grease points and trying to get this stuff ready to work. So all right, see you soon. Not pretty, but it's going. Crack in there I'm trying to get. The camera's falling off. See if I can get that cracked. And then, ever seen oil run like that? Bounce. It's skating on the surface.